RamBase QMS came from the metal and mining industry, and today we have large global customers using the system both in Norway and Scandinavia, throughout Europe and in Africa, Asia and the US. What's unique with the software is that it's really user-friendly, and that makes it a great tool on the shop floor, where all the users can come with feedback on how to improve their processes with a really low overhead on how the system is used. The manager also gets a good overview of how well the training has been received in the organization. It's really easy to follow the read and understood functionality, so you know that you have proper training on the job for the people that you employ. RamBase QMS is also a good fit for SMEs and mid-market players who want to improve your business, to prepare for a new ISO certification, or just to meet increased demands from your customer, vendors, owners, bank, and all other people who want more information from your company.